Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto. So today I'm going to be working on this 2013 Ford Focus passenger side fender removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also, if you guys need this fender for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to go ahead and pop that hood open. And the thing we're going to do first would be to take off that headlight right there. So you guys can see that headlight right there. We're going to take that off. And to take off that headlight, you guys are going to come over here. You're going to see this screw right here. So it's a star bit, but if you had a fly head, just like this one, you can go ahead and take that off with a fly head. So the tab on this one's broken, but yours might not be. Just use a fly head right there. And let me see, push down, it looks like. Yeah, let me see. Oh, this one has HIDs. Interesting. There it is. So the tab was broken right here. So usually you just press down on it and then just wiggle this out. And it should just come off like that. Alright guys, so now we're going to go over here on the top of the fender. And there's going to be two 10 millimeters right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. So on top of the fender right here, you're going to have 10 millimeter and two 10 millimeters. So it's going to be like a ratchet set like this. And a 10 millimeter like that. So first, there's this wire right here. Just go ahead and disconnect that and pull up. Just put that to the side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this 10 millimeter right here. Right here, guys, is a cover. So basically, if you guys want to take this off right here, just press, I believe, this way, back this way. Oh no, forward, like this, and then, well, let me put this down. You should be able to lift up like that. Okay. So now you're gonna go ahead and go to that 10 millimeter right there. And there we go. So that's about it for this fender on the top side. All right, so next step is taking this cover off right here. So take off this cover, get something flat like this, something plasticky, nothing metal so it doesn't scratch up like the painted portion of the car. All right, see that bolt right there? Don't be tempted to take that off, okay? Leave it right there because we're gonna go underneath the vehicle and we're gonna take off the bolts there. And if we took that off, the fender might fall on us. So just leave that one right there and we'll take that off last. All right, on the wheel, we're gonna go ahead and turn it left side, left way. All right, guys, so on the bottom of the fender, or the bumper actually now, see like these star bits right here? We're gonna take off all this fender liner. So if you guys can see the star bit right there, it looks like that. Some people don't have that, like this thing right here. Some people don't have it. But if you got a fly head that's small enough, that can fit in between those stars, then that will work also. The reason why I'm saying that is because not a lot of people have that star bit, and it's pretty easy to take off because this is a plastic piece that we're taking it off of. So it's gonna be one right there, and it's gonna be like inside the fender. Let's see. It's hard to see from here, but if you guys run your fingers across, like over there, in that area, you'll see a lot of those star bits. So to take off that fender liner, there's more torque bits underneath here. Let's see. Right there. There's more. It's gonna be 1 and 2 right there. And I believe this push pin has to go out also. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take that off right here. There you go. One down. One more to go. And then we have this one right here. It's going to be a push pin. Pretty easy to take off. Alright, so if you guys have one of these, great. If you don't, a flathead will work also, like this. But all you do is put it in the middle like this. And comes off. Yep, that's it. So we should be good to go on the bottom, and we just got to work our way to the side of the fender liner. So just these push pins right there, I'm going to take off. Alright, so that one kind of broke, but it gets brittle. So now we're just gonna pry it up. Alright, that one's gone, but there you go. Let's see. Oh, there's another torque space back here, but we're gonna move the wheel that way so we can get more access over there. Okay, so now the wheel's moved. Oh, right back there. Right back there. It's gonna be another screw, which is gonna be right there. Oh, these screws keep falling right there. All right, so this one's kind of almost off. Is there any other ones? That one's good there. Up here. I'm gonna have to sit down for this one. I can't see. So there's two pieces to it. All right. So here's the two pieces right there. This one goes onto the bottom like that. Okay, so once you remove this one, it pops off like that one. But this one is still hanging right here in the bottom. So on the top portion of it, just pinch it and then grab this one down. Okay? Okay, let's see if this... I think we gotta take off this fender liner now. Alright, so the bolts are right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. There's gonna be two of them. And you're gonna need a 10 millimeter. So if you guys pull this fender, this bumper back, just right here, you'll see it. Another one right here. Okay. All right, this fender's almost ready to come off. Okay, guys, if you guys go right there, there's gonna be a, right here behind the fender, there's gonna be a foam piece. It looks like you can just kind of take that off. Do I need to take it off? Yeah, you need to take it off. So, see how this foam piece just comes off? Let me, right there. Because what's gonna happen is there's a screw back here, I believe. So that bolt is like somewhere right here. So up here towards, it's gonna be a 10 millimeter. And it looks like that. So let's see what's down here. So we're gonna take off this side skirt right here, this black piece. Let me see how you take it off. I'm gonna go underneath And I'm gonna say it's a push pin. Yep. It is a push pin. So it is a push pin right here and then another one right here. So I think we're just gonna take off two because there's two bolts right here. So, okay. So again, they're pretty easy. They're push pins like this. And then like that. Okay, so there's even slots on there that you guys can put your flathead in. So now let's see. So one thing that I couldn't show you guys over here are these like pins, right? They're like these things. They're attached to these side skirt, basically. You just have to find them. They're like, let me see. They're like right here. One in the front, one right here, and one right here that you guys have to take off. And you just have to kind of figure out how to get that flathead in there and pry this back. Okay, so it's like right here, and right here. So three of them. And we should be able to push this down a little bit. So, I'm gonna go underneath like this and pull back on it. All right, there's two of them. That's off now. All right, I think this should be the last bolt that we need to take off, and it's up there. And the reason why we didn't take that off, remember, it might fall. So let's see if that's gonna be the last bolt. And it should just come right off now. There you go. One fender off. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.